My Texa King right here is working to recover the refrigerant from the chillinator. So first, just a quick introduction. We're Orbia, Cora Refrigerants division of Cora. We make R444a, but we're also now coming out with R444a and R456a. So those are the two new refrigerants that we're working toward. What we're going to do here today is we're going to use, I'm going to do a little plug here for Texa. Texa was kind enough to program a dual gas machine for us that does both R444 and R1234YF. So we'll pull YF out of the simulator system and then we'll put 444 in. We'll do a retrofit to this system. All right. And I'm also going to plug for AVI. AVI has loaned us their chillinator, and their chillinator is a simulated electric compressor AC system, fully operational AC system that you can use if you're training technicians.
Condenser,
actually
fan,
shows them how an AC system works in simulation. So right now we're in the process of recovering. How are we doing?
It should be. It should pass the analysis.
Okay. Yeah.
It's not 100% sure because of the.
It passed. So yeah, it passed yesterday.
Okay, so it should.
So
pass
we
today.
yes. So hopefully it passes today.
Is this showing our pressure that's being recovered right now?
Correct. Yeah, and it's doing a refrigerant analysis first, so it has to determine whether the gas in this system is correct. If it's not correct, it will stop. It'll discharge the hoses. If it is correct, it'll turn on a pure refrigerant. There it is. And then now it will continue the recovery process. You'll start to see, when the compressor comes on, you'll start to see it pull down the refrigerant.
You're not using this side, right?
I'm not bothering. Okay, so next time I do this, hook up. Don't turn the valves on. Yeah. Start the process.
And then service the hoses and then it's saying hook up low side.
I understand exactly what's going on.
I don't know. It should go through even if you don't have the high side hooked up.
It says please wait. Yeah, it should.
So when
as long as there's pressure.
I was just going to ask that question. Does it recover on the low side? I mean the high side or both of them?
Both. It can do both. Right now I've only got the low side open. I can open up the high
Amount
side.
recovered?
Yep.
Oh, my lens is dirty.
Good to go, yeah. Thank you.
And as it's recovering, you can see the pressure drop.
So Adam, do you want to kind of give them a rundown on 444A?
Sure. So 444A is a new retrofit refrigerant that we have for 1234YF systems. It was made in response to the industry wanting an alternative for 1234YF. The point of view that Cora has is that single molecule refrigerants can't meet every possible requirement, regulation, all of the new thermal management needs that refrigerants are being asked to do. So if we commit to being able to blend these refrigerants together, we can deliver performance, sustainability, serviceability, and make this just a better experience across the value chain. So 444 is comprised of 1234ZE, which is a very, very low TFA, low risk in PFAS legislation material. It has 152A, which is outside of any potential PFAS regulations, as is 32. So when we add those two components, we get better efficiency, which helps EV range, and we get which ends up cooling the cabin about 4 minutes faster than what 1234YF does. So it's better, faster, and cheaper. We're delivering all three legs of the iron triangle. So 444A is exciting. It will be launched in partnership with the Johnson's brand this year and Tech Chemical, along with our 456A product, which is a 134A retrofit as well. So the two retrofit blends, the dual gas machine here showing 444A.
I'm curious. It's only showing, it's been this long and it's only 1.5 ounces.
It takes a while. I think it takes about, I don't know, maybe 15 minutes or so.
I'll be attending my children's graduation by the time this finishes.
But the nice thing about the dual gas machine, like
We've gotten a lot of feedback this week that dual gas machines are kind of maybe complicated and we don't know. The use case for it is perfect for this application because it's the easy button for the technician. Pull the existing incumbent out, put the new one in, the machine's kind of weighted. It's an easy control.
Okay, I'm not going to keep this video on. This is going to go forever.
This machine